Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to the mouse double clicks automatically in Windows 11 fix. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that in the search box type main.cpl. So open it, change the pointer location, click on apply and OK button. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. This second method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager. After doing this, scroll down and expand the universal serial bus controller and open it, the USB root hub, open it, go to your power management and uncheck the allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So click OK. Now open a USB hub, go to power management and uncheck it. Close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that open a file explorer, click on these three dots, go to your options, and after that if you are selected a single click to open items, so select a double click to open items, click on apply and OK button and close it. The fourth method is that open in the search box type a device manager and open a device manager, open device manager, and after doing this that select a mic and other pointing devices, extend it. After that, right click and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.